how to enable camera flash notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced settings, you will see flash notification is here, so click on flash notification. So if you want to enable flash notification, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, click on all apps. So if you want to add apps from here, so after add apps, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable camera flash notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.